It all began with me trying to impress Cass right there. Trying to win her over, and so I decided to bring her to the P&E. After a long day of work, we won 2 big stuffies, this bear and that banana bear right there. And I was $200 short. So that's where it all began. We began with 3 games, growing to more than 25 locations and being an exclusive provider for the Richmond Night Market today. We're also one of the biggest job providers for students in the Lower Mainland. That all started with this very special moment with the bear, with me trying to put a smile on her face. Now, I just want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you guys, because I'm so grateful for you guys being able to create these memories, these special moments, and to deliver happiness to hundreds and thousands of families, friends, and couples out there, just like how we started. This is something that we've been doing for the last 10 years, and it's kind of lost for words. And I'm just so grateful for every single one of you guys. Thank you guys. This night is for you guys. Have fun, eat lots, drink lots, and Merry Christmas.